Hi, it's Mark and Eva, and we're here on the Crystal Serenity and in the Stardust Lounge, where we are going to be watching celebrity chef John Ashton do garlic shrimp with jalapeno. And there he is talking to some of the people on board. He's going to be coming out with a new cookbook in 3 years' time, so it takes a long time to do a cookbook. It's eating for life, what kind of foods you should have to have a good life. So here we are, and it's going to probably fill up pretty well. But this is one of the many guests that's going to be on. Roger McGuinn will be on later today, talking about his life with the birds. Mr. Tambourine Man, turn, turn, turn. So come with us as we take you on the Crystal Serenity and going through the Caribbean.
Someone said to me the other day, I expected you to be a lot fatter and a lot older. I said, don't worry, I'm getting there.
So come with us as we take you here on cruising, land, and air, anywhere in the world. Customized for you, your family, and friends.